amount of cards. Once the cards are gone, that's game over. So y'all need to get on this right now.
Back at the shop, y'all. How y'all day going, man? Cause it is a very hot day out here in Houston, Texas. Look what we got right here, man. Yeah, she's back. Y'all just don't know, bro. I watched bro restore and really put this thing back together like how it should be. Like, jeez. He just got a few more components to, you know, pop on, man, and she ready. No bull. You know what I mean? Y'all see them, but don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted, man. Y'all know this thing about to be sitting crazy. Crazy, yazy. Yeah, she about to be sitting crazy, y'all. And all of them things. It's my partner B Whips, man. We the best. Feel me? All them things blue. This is crazy. Like a sonic blue. Like, this is crazy. And I watched them put this one together too. You feel me? Like, this thing was tore up. Man, bro. Man. Complete makeover from what it was. Clean, man. Look at that, y'all. Clean. And it smelled good in here. Nothing gets smoked in here. And it's crazy because this truck, after it was put together and the wheels was put on it and everything, because this not the wheels that was originally on it. Feel me? That's mismatched. That's just, you know, tire. That's just work a tire. But it had some big wheels on it, man. And man, this truck got stole, bro. It got recovered. And, you know, ever since then, man, we've been on the road to get it right. Yeah, y'all, she on the way. Yeah, y'all, she is on the way, man. Everything just needs to really be cleaned off and dust off. And you know, bro gonna come with it, man. We the best. Man, just say that for no reason, man. So, brother, these the wheels that's going on this Cutlass, right? Or these for sale?
Somebody wants to come check them out Saturday.
How much you let them go for?
I told him 450,
450, word.
Some 24s.
Some big 24s, man. Y'all know somebody wants some big 24s for the 400. What's up? 450, bro. You gotta, come on, man. 450. Really 500 because we the best, but he'll do it for you for the 450. You feel me? Just went in the store. Top the infamous Chiwis, man. If you from here, you already know about these. Hot and spicy. But these taste a little stale though, I ain't gonna lie. Express fuel. Tripping, man. Got these. Grandma's chocolate brownie. It might be one in there, or it might be two. I'm gonna try this out though. And I got chips are hard, bro. These so good, bro. I'm talking about